Hello everyone, so my name is Angel Bantilan. So today we will be discussing a problem. So let's go. Bar A50, a string variable containing the value 50. Bar B 3.5, a float variable containing the value 3.5. Bar C40, an integer variable containing the value 40. The code that converts bar A to an integer using the int function. Bar int equal int bar A. This is necessary because you can directly add a string and a number Python. Next, the code calculates the sum of bar A int, bar B, and bar C. Total sum equal bar A int plus bar B and plus bar C. And then, bar A is a string that needs to be converted to an integer before it can be added to bar B and bar C.